Entry doors. Clinton Township is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in front door replacement and door replacement services, ensuring that your entryway is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you need custom entry doors or energy-efficient doors, we have the perfect solution for you. For those seeking door frame replacement and storm doors in Clinton Township, MI, our skilled technicians are ready to assist. We offer a wide range of options, including fiberglass entry doors, steel entry doors, and wooden entry doors, each designed to meet your specific needs. Our door hardware installation services ensure that your doors are not only stylish, but also secure. Entry door maintenance in Clinton Township is essential for prolonging the life of your doors. Our comprehensive services include door weatherproofing and door security upgrades, providing peace of mind for both residential entry doors and commercial entry doors. With our door design consultation, you can explore various entry door customization options to match your unique style. Door painting services and door sealing services in Clinton Township, MI, are vital for maintaining the appearance and functionality of your doors. Our team offers a variety of entry doors, Clinton Township styles, and door glass inserts to enhance your property's aesthetic. We also provide door threshold replacement and door hinge replacement to ensure smooth operation. Door lock installation is a critical component of our entry door services in Clinton Township, Michigan. Our experts are equipped to handle all aspects of door security, from basic locks to advanced security systems. Whether you need residential doors or commercial doors in Clinton Township, our team is dedicated to providing top-notch service. Custom entry doors. Clinton Township, Michigan are our specialty. We offer a wide selection of entry doors, including energy-efficient doors and storm doors, tailored to your specific requirements. Our door hardware Clinton Township services ensure that your doors are equipped with the latest technology for optimal performance. Entry door replacement Clinton Township is a service we take pride in. Our experienced technicians are skilled in addressing any issues, from door glass Clinton Township chicken replacements to door threshold Clinton Township adjustments. We are committed to providing reliable and efficient solutions for all your door needs.